Strengths: academic strengths, social, emotional, behavioral.
She is brilliant.
Brilliant.
I love that word.
Huh?
Do you think I could spell?
That's right. I think you can.
She's very creative.
Creative.
Artistic, right? I think I heard that before about
Yeah.
her. Okay.
I would put that under creative, but you
Yeah.
can put artist.
Behaviors. So the frequency, duration, and severity. What is impacting her learning?
She is extremely active.
What does that look like?
It looks like she finishes her work super fast.
Rushes through.
Rushes. She does not go back and check. She is then yelling out that she is done. She is wandering around the room,
She's impulsive.
very impulsive. Lately, I took away her pencil box
Okay.
because she was just destroying all the stuff in it. So I moved that to a spot where she has to go get her material. It's when she needs it. So it's not right there to distract her. And I gave her I made her a stress ball out of balloons and sand to
Okay.
squeeze. Also, she hums all the time, drives everybody crazy. So I gave her, it's this little toy and you pull the string and it vibrates. And so I thought if she could hold that to her head, maybe she likes the vibrations of the humming, that she could do that and get that vibration without it being loud.
We could look at what would success or improvement look like for Claire, and then maybe brainstorm some ways we could monitor that and collect data around improvement. What are like one or two areas that you would like to see improve with Claire?
I guess if there's, I had 3 here.
Okay,
Can I
three's
just tell
great.
you my 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so stay in her seat when she needs to. Oh, I guess these 2 are kind of the same. And the other one is like to stop when asked to stop. So humming or kicking someone or, passing notes.
Yep.
Because
we're all going to take off our hat in whatever profession or whatever our specialization is, and we're just going to brainstorm strategies that we think might work for Claire. So it's going to be one strategy per sticky note, and then we're just going to put them all up here, and after we'll review and talk about what might work in the classroom. Okay?
Okay.
And I'll set some up. I can start. I thought of maybe did I stop when asked self-monitoring chart that maybe looked like this, and then like if she did, she gets to put a smiley face, and if she didn't, she has to put an X, and then we'll have like a baseline, and then maybe try to beat that score the next day. So she's actually seeing how many times per day she's not stopping. Maybe just like, because she's not going to stay in her seat, maybe put like tape near her desk so she could stand, but she can't leave the tape. Like the floor is hot lava, this is your island, and this is where you can stand in here, but you can't leave this spot. And then I thought about social behavior mapping following incidents, so more so like when she's working with you, and I think I've showed you that before, where it was like, what's the behavior that happened, and then how do you think others felt when I did this? So really getting her to think about everybody else's reaction to her behavior, so she can start to accept that responsibility. Bridget, do you want to go next?
Yeah. I said more targeted lessons with me, maybe even on like communication. I was just thinking more about those fits or tantrums she's almost having, because she's trying to communicate something but not verbally. Maybe like a lap pad or some kind of bumpy seat to keep her in her chair.
The sticker chart at home. No news is good news. Chad, Bridget, and Lee are going to be responsible for communicating with mom and dad. Bridget's going to go in and do a classroom lesson on kindness and language to use with Claire. Bridget's also going to be using some video examples on different social manners and norms with Claire as a teaching moment. And then we're going to start a check-in, check-out with me and Bridget to help her self-monitor stopping when asked to stop.